What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Gage from GB Resale King, YouTube, Poshmark, 50 Shades of Gage on eBay. Speaking of Poshmark, head on over to my closet if you're interested in nice men's gear like this. Spider, high quality sweatshirt, made in Turkey, I believe. I got 3 of them on there. One is new with tags, and I have a lot of other fleeces and sweatshirts for ladies on there as well. Really nice. So if you're getting a little chilly, it's starting to get cold up by you, that could help you out. And Dad and I are out checking the sales right now. It's a little bit chilly this morning, but I'm sure it's going to warm up a little bit later. But Dad and I are out checking the sales now, and if you could do the YouTube things for us, smash that like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe, share it to all your friends that might enjoy this content, and we'll give you a shout out sales here in a bit. Thanks.
You can leave those right there.
Okay. Yeah, most of them.
Oh, yeah. 13.
I don't know what this one is. Let me see if I can find the hanger. Yeah, it's got nothing on the hanger.
That's okay. You can have it too.
Okay.
Just say 25.
All right.
Let's hear 27.
Okay.
Can I look around? Sure, you can sit them here if you want. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Big smoky road.
Yeah, I think I'll just get this one.
He'll be right back out.
All right, no problem. Hey, puppies. Aren't you cute? Yeah, you okay with me? Yeah, you okay with me? You good puppies.
Good. Stop.
Snow skiing gloves, huh?
Yep.
Yep, some thick
Got
ones.
good ones too, but I'm like, I know I'm done skiing now
Yeah.
with
We
this.
won't be doing much more of that, will we?
No.
$26.
All right.
Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about that?
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Tell me what this is.
This is GoPro. My son has a YouTube channel. We
Oh!
go around the garage sales. We've been to your place before.
Wonderful.
Last year we bought some Mary Kay.
Yes.
Yep, and then he did well.
Wonderful.
He did
Yep.
well with that. And so,
Yeah, it's all the treasures I find at yard sales, and then like how much I resell it for and everything.
Great.
Yeah.
You didn't find any more treasures? Did you see all the? These zero ones. I don't know. I mean, maybe you don't do women's, but I mean, this is Ralph Lauren. These are designer right here.
Yeah, I do some women's, but I'm at a real premium for storage, so I have to
Okay,
find stuff
I
that I'm like
understand.
people are like
I
in a
understand.
niche for.
All right. Well done. That's wonderful.
Yeah, thank you.
have a good day.
What's going on YouTube? Gage here, Dad and I are back, and it wasn't too many, but we found a lot of cool stuff, a lot of nice clothing items, and I'll give a shout out of that. I got this hat. I don't know what FTB stands for, but I was thinking it'd be find the bag, which means bags full of money. Get it? So give a shout out of what we picked up, but if you could do the YouTube things for me, smash that like button, leave a comment, subscribe, share to your friends. All those things really help out, and I really appreciate it. I'll give you a shout out of what we picked up. Got this Puma hat for $1. Ladies Bowtech hat for $1. Ford hat for $1. Dad picked up these Star Trek cards. Another B hat that actually fits him, size large. Elton John, he got this last week. I don't know if I showed to you. Then Dad got a bunch of these Star Wars sealed for $2 a piece. I picked up these free ride ski gloves. We'll never need them down here in Florida, but I'm gonna put them on Poshmark and see how much. I gotta comp them, see how much they sell for. I got this men's large LL Bean jacket for $1. Men's XXL Pebble Beach polo for $1. Men's XXL Salt Life fishing shirt for $1. Men's large Nike golf polo for $1. Men's XXL Adidas soccer jersey for $1. Men's XXL Columbia for $1. This is 1X. I think it might be. Ladies. Nike hoodie for $3. Ladies XXL Columbia, feels like a rain jacket for $5. Dad got this. It's like these are like Little League jerseys, I think, but in larger size. It's Dallas. And these were like $1 each, I think. Gator ball. Men's large Gators fleece. That was $1, I believe. Real Legends. It's men's large long sleeve Real Legends. That was $2. This one was $10, but it's got a neck gaiter on it built in, so that was cool. Men's large. Men's medium Columbia Omni Shield. This is the UV blocking material. This is $3. This one is really cool. It's got fish all over it. And men's large, this was $8. This is men's large Adidas windbreaker with a hoodie. I just noticed it's got some stuff on it right there I gotta take off, but that was $3. So that's what we picked up. If you think we did good, if you want to support us, leave a comment, smash that like button, subscribe, share, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.